All of you should also ask yourselves, have you practiced diligently in this life? If you haven't, it would be a great pity to leave this world in such a state. In the past, many Mahayana practitioners would practice the Dharma until their last breath. Therefore, everyone must constantly maintain right mindfulness and right awareness, make every effort to set aside time for practice, and realize that all the mundane affairs of samsara are impermanent and without true substance. We must constantly encourage ourselves to practice the genuine Dharma. Longchenpa says in the precious Treasury of Pith instructions, "You will die before completing all you wish to do in this life. One thing leads to another, like the waves of the ocean. Come to thoroughly appreciate that nothing you undertake will be useful when you die. From today on, practice to attain enlightenment, which brings liberation. Therefore, we should contemplate this with great care and ask ourselves whether all that we earnestly strive for will have any value when death arrives. If it does not, then from this moment on, we should redirect our lives and cultivate the Bodhi path that brings liberation